Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out-solving app, and today we are going to learn about the introduction to motion in a straight line chapter. So let's start the introduction of motion in a straight line chapter. In this chapter, first we will learn about the difference between rest and motion, then types of motion and all other concepts related to this. So if we talk about mechanics, firstly we should know what is mechanics. So mechanics, it is the branch of physics that deals with the conditions of rest or motion of the material object around us. So, it is the branch of physics that deals with the conditions of rest and motion of the material object around us. Motion of the objects around us. So, if we talk about rest, then what is rest? If an object does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with time, then it is known as rest. So, if an object does not change its position with respect to its surroundings with time, then object is said to be at rest. Then object is said to be at rest. So, if the position is not changing with respect to time and with the surrounding, then the object is said to be at rest. Now, what is motion? So, if an object changes its position with respect to its surrounding with time, then it is known as motion. So, if an object changes its position with respect to its surrounding with time, then it is known as motion. Then it is known to be in motion. So, there are various types of motion. So, we have uniform motion in a straight line, then non-uniform motion in a straight line. So, we have uniform motion in a straight line, or we can have non-uniform motion in a straight line. Non-uniform motion in a straight line. So, uniform motion is when the velocity is constant, and non-uniform motion is when velocity is variable. So, this is all about the introduction to this motion in a straight line chapter. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.